Sanibona. Ngifisa ukuthi ngikhulume na Maxhosa namaZulu. Just labo wabili for today. That's it. Cela ukubuza la ukuthi do you really not see umsebenzi owenziwa uNcamalala noma anithandi ukuvuma? Because I truly believe ukuthi i-Eastern Cape iyaqala ukubona i-government ukuthi iyasebenza ngekhathi kukhona uNcamalala in presidency, and he used to visit Eastern Cape kakhulu. Ne-KZN futhi cishe kube into efanayo, as much as e-KZN ke kwakungconywana ke ngekhathi kuphethe laba abanye o-president, simply nakhona because e-KZN there is Richards Bay ekuyibay eyodwa enkulu for uku-importa noku-exporta kwama-goods, nanokuthi kuno-RBM na wonke lama companies amakhulu, of which njengamanje nawo ase-privatized ngoba uRamaphosa khona sebelonga ku-Green Road, but that's a completely different issue. KZN ngiya-understand ukuthi yona yayilokuzolwane khona Richards Bay, khona ilokuzana iBhalito ke has become the capital of ama-Europeans that are non-Afrikaner. So ngiya-understand ukuthi ama-Europeans lawa ayibona wona ngathi athanda ukuba more sophisticated than laba abanye abafika kuqala, bayibone ngathi bona babelonga ngapha koBhalito kuya koMhlanga nakuphi kuphi, and therefore leya ndawo ya developwa ngenxa yabo. But everything in between bukuthongathi ukuthi selaba yini, because uthongathi vele la occupy amandiya kakhulu nalo la developwa kudala ngesikhathi kusa-classifywa ngakho ukuthi le ndawo ihlala amandiya noma amakhalathi noma abantu abamnyama. Mayihlala amandiya namakhalathi ithi ukuba ngconywana, mayihlala abantu abamnyama iyabheda. But those were the reasons why lezi ndawo eyise-KZN ezimbalwa zalungiswa, and I believe ukuthi kuyinto efanayo nase-Eastern Cape nase-Western Cape, ukuthi lapha indawo ezingcono ilezi vele ezayihlala belungu nalezi ezibukeke ngathi ingconywana. So kahle thina sicishe sifane, and indlela esitreateka ngayo icishe ifane ngoba sine population eningi thina nje sobabili, thina uXhosa noZulu. Ngakho ke njengoba ngibuza le ndaba yemisebenzi kaNcamalala, i-follow up question ithi, menicabanga nina i-right in South Africa ngoba inje nanje, like ayikho nje into eniyibona nini wrong, like don't you see something wrong in it, njengoba ilento eyiyona uRamaphosa iphendula lento eyiyona? And uma kuukuthi khona nikubona ku wrong, the follow up question yalapho ithi, ithini i-solution kulokho? Because I've seen abantu abaningi abagxekayo, bayagxeka yonke into, bayigxeka, which is okay ukugxeka uma kuukuthi awuboni into eyaphambili. But right now I can say this proudly because I know ukuthi kusasa angeke ngize ngiyisole ngalawa ama-video engiwenzayo nangalawa amazwi engiwakhiphayo, ukuthi there is a way forward for all South Africans, and it's the MK Party. Anikuboni nina lokho? Aniboni ukuthi le organization yona organization yokhulula umuntu omnyama? Akubonakali ngoba facts be facts. Kubo bonke laba abaceba abasuka kwi-African National Congress, uZuma uyedwa ongacebanga, just because indodana yakhe yenza kahle emabhizinisini doesn't mean ukuthi yena ucebile. Just because unomuzi just like any other South African, and in fact he was once the president, wahola imali ethe ukuthi xaxa, doesn't mean ukuthi ucebile. Imali yakhe ayifani neimali zalaba esibaziyo ukuthi ba benefita off of ukuba ama leaders e-ANC. Niyakwazi lokho, anifuna ukukuvuma. While kunjalo ke aniboni ngani pho ukuthi ngoba ipopulation yethu iyasivuma, uma ngathiwa namhlanje siyahlangana uZulu noXhosa sivotela iMK, iMK is disappoint, sizokwazi phela ukuthi siyeke ilokuzani sisuse umbuso kwiMK siyovotela abanye. Ngoba phela right now uma singavotela iMK kahle kahle sovotela abantu, like ubani kahle kahle somvotela. Ithini chance yethu at taking back our land? Ithini chance yethu at restoring dignity kubantu? Ithini chance yethu ekubuyiseleni umbuso to our kings and queens so that we have justice eSouth Africa? Ngoba njengamanje justice ayikho. Niyazi, you know better. Niyazi ukuthi kwenzekani lapha eNkopholo. Niyazi ukuthi kwenzekani lapha emafamini. But you out here arguing on behalf of abantu abalahlekile abangazi. Aniboni nje kuyisikhathi lesokuthi siunite. Aniboni ni sekuyisikhathi lesokuthi amaXhosa namaZulu ehlangane elwela umhlaba wawo. Ngoba uma kunabantu abane history ebuhlungu ngomhlaba wabo, amaXhosa namaZulu. Sengicela ukuthi ke sihlangane. Sengicela ukuthi siyicabangisise kahle lento okathekana sodwa ukuthi isizuzisani, what do we gain from it? Siya athekana each and every single day la ku social media, siyalena le kuzuzisani lokho. Ukatheka uZuma ngoba uyamzonda, kukuzuzisani lokho. And ukuvotela iANC noma iDA noma iIFP kokuzuzisani. Kukuzuzise ini over the years ukwenza lokho? Asihlanganeni sivotela iMK, sithatha umhlaba wethu, sithatha ama resources ethu, sibuyisele isithunzi nesimilo kubantu abamnyama. AmaZulu namaXhosa kuphela adingekayo ukuze lento yenzeke. Bonke laba abanye boyibamba sebeyibamba kulungile. Nabo kungekona ukuthi ababalekile, babalekile kakhulu. But ngifila ngathi uma kungaqala kulungisekela indaba yalezi zindle ezimbili, yonke into ingahamba kahle. Akobe sizwile.